Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel a follow request on Instagram. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and then make sure that your account is logged into it, okay? And then after that, you want to click on the search button on the lower part of your screen and then click a search, and you need to search for the username of the person that you sent a follow request on, okay? So here, as you can see, I already searched the user, so I'm just gonna click on that. So here, as you can see, you just need to click the requested button and your follow request is now cancelled. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.